Guys, good morning. Welcome to today's vlog. It's already 12 here in the afternoon. Welcome to today's vlog. Today is, I don't know what day is today, but it's almost 12 here. It's almost 12 here in the morning, and I'm cooking some, what is this? Ampalaya. And I'm defrosting this beef because I'm gonna make a meatloaf later on, and then I just made some poached egg for hubby, and I am just heating up the rice. That would be my brunch. So I haven't had my second cup of coffee yet. It's already 12. It's kind of gloomy outside. I didn't do any chores today, like do the laundry, because they're working on some septic tank on the other apartment, and they run a hose over there as well. So there's working on something in the apartment. Check the rice. Let's check the rice. Yeah, my rice is heating up, and I'm gonna do like a second coffee because I already did my first coffee. This is what I use for my first coffee. I use this because I'm putting on this collagen powder here. Or where was it? Collagen powder. So it tastes better. If I put collagen powder on this black coffee, then it doesn't taste as good. So I wake up late today, like 10 something. But I wake up like 8 to make coffee, and then I went back to sleep. So yeah, let's make another coffee. There's one stick of coffee. Kaya mo yan. And like a teaspoon of sugar. I have like a teaspoon here. Just a teaspoon of sugar. And put hot water. Guys, we'll just wait for our rice. Our coffee is ready. And yeah, the kids are at my mom's because in a few days, like 15 and 16, it's fiesta here in our barangay or village. So I'm not gonna make anything, but I'm sure my parents will like do some cooking and stuff. So I have a vlog last time's fiesta. I have a vlog. If you're interested to watch, you can watch it. I'll link the video up in the description, and in the card also, or in the description box below. So yeah, let's check this coffee. You guys, I'm sorry I cannot vlog as much, like my vlog is like in the city, or in town, in the city. So yeah, nothing much to do. So it's still locked down in the city from like until August 15 this month. So we will see if I can go to the city like after that, when the borders or like something will open. So yeah, we will see. It will be like maybe this week or next week. Yes. Okay. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Hey guys, I'm back. It's already 2:30 here in the afternoon, and I made a meatloaf. I didn't record the process and stuff, but basically I did like fry up the onion and garlic together just to like saute them, and then this is what I came up with. Is the beef and some onion and garlic in here, like parsley, and then like I don't know, 1/3 of this A1 marinade. They don't have the regular A1, so I'm just gonna use this one. And I use this salt, and then iodized salt also, black pepper, iodized salt, this salt, and then this for seasoning, and that's it. And then I put breadcrumbs, combined breadcrumbs, egg, 2 eggs, breadcrumbs, and this is what I came up with. This already cleaned this up. Hi, Ella's home. Already cleaned this up, you guys. So yes, I'm gonna transfer it here. I already heat up the oven, 180 degrees, 350 Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna cook this for an hour and it'll be ready. It is, guys. It's ready. I'll just put this uncovered, no toppings. That's how he likes it. And if the oven is already ready, then we'll put this one in there. So yes. In it on here. There's the oven. There's the oven. It's so dirty. Run out of stove gas. You guys, this is what I'm saying when they were working on something. Yeah, they're working on a septic tank, so let's go. They have it. Ooh. Yeah, here in the store. Nasi, madam. Hi, madam. Kajut lang dong. Ako sa ilikod-an dong. Kay mo alog na ako rarab. Guys, I'm back. It's already 3 o'clock here in the afternoon, you guys. I had to run and get the LPG because I just ran out. The LPG now is the LPG is 990 pesos. So it's just around here, and it's kind of near. So now I'm gonna time my meatloaf again in like after 10 minutes after the oven heats up again. So yes, it's heating up. I didn't remove it, but it just stay there. Oh my god, you guys, I'm sweating. It's humid outside. So yes, later guys, I'll show you after I'm done cooking the meatloaf in like about an hour of cooking in the oven. So yes, later guys. Hey guys, I'm back. It's already 10 minutes to 4, and I'm gonna get it for like 4:30. So it's kind of gloomy outside. I took a bath because I was sweaty. I was supposed to take a bath like later on, but I had to. So yes, later. It's kind of gloomy outside. It's kind of gloomy outside. I'm thinking of like making coffee or not. Let's ask hubby. You want some coffee, Han?
No. Oh, type is it?
10 minutes before 4.
Yeah, 1 cup.
1 cup.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing I'm gonna make me another coffee. You guys, I don't know, my head hurts. Not hurt, but you know, like something. So yeah, so I'm gonna make just a cup. LL is here. Ano sa El? Ha? He's having some snack. Binangkal. Binangkal. My daughter come by and ate, you know, the mang inasal, but she didn't eat my ampalaya with egg. It's already raining outside. I was contemplating on making coffee or what, but I end up having milk. So I don't have to put sugar, but it's still, you know. It's raining. It's raining. So in 30 minutes my meatloaf will be ready. And let's have some coffee. Oh, coffee, milk. There's my milk. It's kind of gloomy and darker here. So, oh, you guys, last night, I think it was last night or the other night, it was, we had a brownout and then an earthquake here. I felt that because, you know, I slept in the floor there. That's why there's a mattress in there, because that's where I sleep. So, you know, whenever there's movement or if he wants the original oxygen aside from the machine, I can just like turn it on and off very quickly. So that's why I sleep there. I can see what he's doing, you know, if he wants something. So that's where I sleep. So yeah, it's raining, kind of windy a little bit. This must be the monsoon thingy. So yes, let's drink some. I'm here outside. It's raining. The exhaust on that, you know, like the irrigation, they're trying to irrigate the water because there's water in there, and they're gonna pour cement, or they're gonna like make it like cemented and stuff. So yeah, the exhaust smells, so that's why I was covering my nose. Unsa?
Still smell.
Ha? Unsa? Unsa imo? Let's check our meatloaf. It's already 5 here. Already let it rest. Here's the meatloaf. It's so yummy. Guys, it's ready. I'm gonna use this for even cutting here. Let's take some. Yes, guys, it's yummy. It's not in one piece, but it's yummy. There it is. Yummers. Who wants this for sauce? That Jack Daniels.